Media is even stating that he was being bullied by the star kids. He felt like an outsider. He almost felt like he's not being welcomed in the industry. Clips of some award shows and chat shows are doing rounds on the internet where some star kids are saying that who is Sushant Rajput? It is really sad that in these times and age, real talent is not being supported and it's all about nepotism in the industry. Even Sonu Nigam has went on record to say that even in the music industry, the same nepotism is happening. A few main people are controlling even the music industry. They don't give chances easily to fresh talents and everything is in their hands. They decide whose career to make or to break. In connection with the Sushant case, the police questioned his rumor girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti for close to 9 hours. According to reports, she revealed that they were dating and were planning to marry by the end of this year. She admitted that Sushant was indeed going through a depression phase. Sushant had ended his contract with YRF and even asked Rhea to do the same. A few days before his suicide, Rhea and Sushant had a fight and Rhea left his home, though she was in touch with the actor later on calls and messages. Rhea had even informed Sushant's sister that Sushant was under depression and his sister should move in with Sushant. The police has even summoned people from YRF to give their statements. People are really offended with the Bhatt brothers who went on to say that they knew that he was on the same path as Praveen Babi. Now the question arises, if they knew, why didn't they go and help him? If they had helped him, he would have been alive today. A very recent theory on Twitter says that he could have probably been murdered. It's not exactly clear why this is being said. That being said, our country has lost a great actor, a great talent, a great philanthropist who wouldn't even think once before helping people, donating money for the country. He was always kind with his fans on social media, with the people who went on to meet him and greet him. May his soul rest in peace. Thank you for watching In Samachar. For more information, log in to www.insamachar.com. Thank you.